NotebookLM just dropped an update that changes everything. Auto-organizes all your research. No more messy files. No more wasted time. This is like having a second brain that actually works. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it right now. Now let's talk about NotebookLM, because they just released an update that is genuinely incredible. And if you do any kind of research, content creation, or client work, you need to hear this. Here's the problem most people have. You upload a load of documents, PDFs, links, audio files, transcripts, and then what? You've got this massive flat list of stuff. You're scrolling through it trying to find things. You're wasting time. Your brain is fried. Sound familiar? That's what NotebookLM just fixed forever. The new update automatically organizes all your sources into labeled categories the moment you hit 5 or more uploads. You don't have to do anything. You just upload your stuff and NotebookLM reads through everything, groups related materials together, slaps a descriptive label on each group, and boom. Your research is structured, clean, and easy to navigate. This is massive. Here's what makes it even better. A source can belong to multiple categories at the same time. So if you've got a document that covers 2 different topics, it shows up in both places. No duplication headaches, no confusion. It just works. You can also edit, rename, and rearrange the groups yourself. So the AI sets it up and you customize it to fit the way your brain works. Before I keep going, real quick, if you want to learn how to use tools like NotebookLM to automate your research, content, and client workflows, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where serious entrepreneurs are using AI to grow faster, work less, and build smarter systems. We break down the best AI tools and show you exactly how to apply them in your business. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Now back to it. So let me show you exactly how this would work for the AI Profit Boardroom. Imagine you want to build out a full content strategy. You go into NotebookLM. You create a new notebook. You upload 50 sources, transcripts from the best AI automation YouTube channels. It's about the top AI tools, case studies from businesses using AI to scale, PDFs about productivity and automation, links to the hottest AI news this month. You paste all of that in. In seconds, NotebookLM auto groups everything. You might see categories like AI tools, automation case studies, content trends, business use cases, and community growth strategies. Piece of content you uploaded is now sorted, labeled, and ready to use. Instead of hunting through a massive list, you click the category you need and everything relevant is right there. Now here's where it gets really powerful. Once your sources are organized, you can chat with NotebookLM and ask it questions specific to one category. So you could say something like, based on the automation case studies, what are the 3 biggest pain points business owners face when trying to implement AI? And because your sources are neatly categorized, NotebookLM pulls from the right documents, gives you a grounded, accurate answer, and cites exactly where it got the information from. No hallucinations, guessing, real answers from real sources you uploaded. For the AI Profit Boardroom specifically, this is gold. Let's say every month you want to create a new batch of content. You upload all your research sources into a notebook. NotebookLM groups them into themes automatically. You then query each category to pull out insights, angles, and talking points. You use those to plan your videos, your newsletters, your community posts. What used to take hours of manual sorting now takes minutes. And the quality of your output goes up because your research is actually organized and usable. Now let me talk about the outputs, because this is where it gets insane. Once your sources are categorized, you can generate audio overviews that sound like a podcast discussion between 2 hosts talking through your research. You can generate video summaries with visuals. You can build interactive mind maps that respect your categories. You can create full reports with citations baked in. You can generate flashcards for studying. You can even make quizzes with saved progress. Notebook, grounded in the sources you uploaded. This is not a gimmick. This is a real research and content system. And the plan breakdown is simple. On the free plan, you get 50 sources per notebook, 50 chats per day, and 3 audio overviews per day. That is more than enough to get started and see real results. On the Pro plan, you get 300 sources per notebook, over 500 chats per day, 20 plus audio overviews per day, and access to Gemini 3.1 Pro, which is a significantly more powerful model for complex reasoning tasks. If you're doing this for a business or agency, the Pro plan pays for itself in time saved within the first week. The rollout started April 24th, 2026, and it's fully live right now. So you can go test this today. And honestly, this feature alone makes NotebookLM one of the most useful AI tools available right now. The fact that it's free to start makes it a no-brainer. Let me paint the full picture of what this looks like in practice. Say you're a coach and you've been doing client interviews for months. You've got transcripts sitting in a folder somewhere. You upload all of them into NotebookLM. Auto groups them into categories like common pain points, transformation stories, objections, strategy insights, and quick wins. You then ask NotebookLM to generate a tailored coaching playbook based on the pain points category. pulls from the real words your real clients used. Gives you a document grounded in actual data from your community. That's not just useful, that's a competitive advantage. Say you're a client manager. You've got brand guides, monthly reports, old feedback, performance data, and strategy decks all over the place. You dump it all into a notebook. NotebookLM sorts it into brand guidelines, performance data, client feedback, and strategic insights. Now, when you're on a client call and they ask a question, you open the notebook, filter to the right category, and find the answer in seconds. No more panicking. No more digging through folders. You look like a genius every single time. This is what good AI tools do. Take the messy, time-consuming parts of your work and they make them invisible. They free you up to focus on the stuff that actually matters. The thinking, the strategy, the creative work. That's what NotebookLM is doing with this update, and that's why it's worth your attention right now. So if you want to go deeper on this and learn how to build real AI-powered workflows for your business, two things. First, join the AI Profit Boardroom. That's where we go beyond the surface level and actually build systems together using the best tools available right now, including NotebookLM. Serious people only. Link is in the description below. If you want free access to over 100 AI use cases, SOPs, templates, and the full video notes from this video, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. We've got 67,000 members in there right now, all using AI to get ahead. The link is in the comments and the description. Go grab it. And if this video gave you value, drop a comment below. See you in the next one.